guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanisha Sade. If you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe, and welcome to the fun. Okay, that sound kind of just excuse that. Anyways, right now I'm about to do my makeup, and this is for women and maybe young girls who suffer from Hirsutism and PCOS. So sorry, as you can see, I do have a lot of ingrown hairs on my chin area, and it's a little sensitive for me, has always been sensitive for me growing up, and I just learned to really cope with it because it's a lot of women that deal with it. There's really nothing you can do about it. It's no cure for it besides shaving and waxing and different types of hair removals. Okay, and I'll get into another video with the things I use to remove my hair from my face and other places. So let's get right into the video. Alright guys, I'm grabbing my Dior 5N. Make sure you guys see it. Putting that on the back of my hand. This is what works well for me. Next, I am grabbing my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn. My favorite concealer of all time. Putting that all around the dark areas, around my mouth, and a little tiny bit on my chin. I don't put this on my, under my chin, shall I say. Grabbing my beauty blender, which is kind of ugh, and spraying that. That's my favorite beauty blender. I just had to say that. It's just the best. It's a Sonia, I don't know how to say the last name, but I got it from Target. But I am blending it in, blending, making sure it's all blended in. It doesn't have to be extremely perfect, but just enough so it can look good. Next, I am grabbing my Milani spray, spraying that, and getting the foundation and bouncing that on my face. Like I said, whatever works for you, this works for me. This is what I've been doing for a while. And then grabbing some more. Then I'll be putting that on the dark area, which is under my chin. Blending. Nobody is perfect. We all go through things in life we don't want to go through, and things, we have imperfections. We are women. Nobody is perfect. That's something I really had to learn growing up. So I'm blending, making sure it's blended out. Putting a tiny bit on my forehead. I really don't even like to put foundation on my forehead, honestly, but I usually just put setting powder in there instead. Next, I'm grabbing my Dior Backstage setting powder in the color 5N. This is some really good. Dior has some really good makeup. I mean, this works for me. Great coverage. I suggest getting a full coverage foundation if you suffer from hirsutism, Pcos, and unwanted dark marks. So yeah, I just get my Morphe brush and I dab that all over my face. Well, blend that all over my face, shall I say. Making sure it's covered, basically. Next, grab some more of my concealer, and I'm doing my chest area now. And I put a tiny bit. That's a tiny bit to me. And I also add my foundation. My chest area is also a little dark due to ingrown hairs, which I hate. But I have to learn how to finesse things, and this is one of the ways. So I do this, and I do this if I am wearing an open shirt that shows a little cleavage. So I'm showing you guys, something that you guys can do if you're wearing an open shirt and you have like a darker chest area from the rest of your body. So I also take a lighter setting powder and put that right on top to set it because, like I said, I'm two-toned. I don't know if I said this already, but I am two-toned, very two-toned, as you can tell. So yeah, that's what I do. Making sure it's all blended out. Blend, 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 blend. And when I'm satisfied with it, that's really it. That's it. Alrighty, that was my little voiceover. Alright, guys, I'm gonna do a close up of what I can't really get up because I don't have on a shirt. But here, I'm gonna stretch my skin out a bit to show you guys. Yes, I do get chin hairs as well under my skin. And I know a lot of women that suffer from hirsutism deals with it. So as you can see, it blends in. My foundation blends in really well because I am two-tone. So that's why I put a different kind of a lighter setting powder on my chest area because my chest here, the rest of my arms and stuff is lighter than my neck and this certain spot right here, and it's very annoying. So I hope you guys like the video. Please like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. Any tips, any recommendations? This is the way I do my makeup. That's for me. So anybody saying, oh, you're doing it wrong, you're doing it like this works for me. So what works for you works for you, and you guys can try it. But anyways, thank you for watching, and please